assistant?
Yeah, we are looking for you on B10.
Pico. What?
How are you?
I'm your sister Candy, you don't remember me?
Like third time this round week, man, I say. You have to give me a number.
For real, I'll give it to you this time.
After me not gonna make you burn up like how you burn me up when we really Sky, where you go?
Daddy.
Me and Candy, a sister and brother.
After we do something together.
Oh, Daddy.
What about my daughter? Peter, where you there, sir?
You know, say, Sky, me, come in.
How I go on in a sir?
The face, you can doctor phone phone.
Doctor, yo, what you doing on my place?
How are you and Peter now?
Get paid to over my yard. Now my bed is no man.